In September, we signed up for a Crypto.com account and Crypto.com Visa card. We tried out the Crypto.com Visa card for about 2 months, and today we are going to share with you what we think about it. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Ying Ying, and Now Realize is a YouTube channel started out by my partner Jingles and I. On this channel, we explore the realization about life and happiness as we pursue our goals. In this video, I'm going to share with you a quick overview about Crypto.com cards, requirements, and how to apply for the card, how easy it is to use Crypto.com Visa card, such as how widely accepted the card is, the card benefits, as well as any hidden fees or costs to use the card. Before I start, I would like to update that we are currently traveling in Europe and we are going to be here for a while. So we will be creating videos as we travel. Previously, we talked about our first impressions with Crypto.com, and if you have not watched the video, you can watch it first. As a recap, Crypto.com app is a cryptocurrency exchange that supports trading, investing, staking, wallets, NFT, and more. And today we are going to talk about our experiences using the Crypto.com Visa card, as it is one of the products offered by Crypto.com. The Crypto.com Visa card is a prepaid card. Broadly speaking, a prepaid card is similar to a debit card. The difference is that debit card is linked to your bank account and a prepaid card is not. Prepaid card instead needs to be topped up before you can use it. For Crypto.com Visa card, you can top up the account using bank transfers, credit debit card, or cryptocurrency. How to get it? There are 3 steps to get the Crypto.com Visa card. First, you need to have a Crypto.com account. Set up a Crypto.com account and complete their KYC verification. KYC means know your customers. The next step is to purchase CRO tokens, the native token of Crypto.com. You can buy it using fiat money, credit, debit cards, or purchase it using other cryptocurrency. Next, you can head to the card tab within the app and choose which Visa card you desire. Tap the Stake CRO button and follow the instructions. Depending on which card tier you apply for, you need to stake a minimum amount of CRO coins for a period of 180 days. So make sure you're not using any money that you need for the short term, because the money will be locked for at least 6 months. You have to do all 3 steps in sequence in order to get the Crypto.com Visa card. The first card is free regardless of which card you choose, and the subsequent cards would require a fee. During our previous video, we shared that we could only get the basic card and Crypto.com needed us to pay for the higher tier card. This information is wrong, so we wanted to correct it here. Your first card is free regardless of which card tier you choose. There was some misunderstanding between the customer service and us, and anyways, in the end, we managed to get the metal card for free. So make sure that you stake the right amount of CRO and follow the steps in sequence to apply for the card. Types and tiers of Crypto.com cards. There are different tiers of Crypto.com cards, and it depends on how much CRO that you stake. The basic card starts from the Midnight Blue card, which do not require any CRO to be staked but have limited benefits. And then you have the highest tier card, which is the Obsidian card, which requires a minimum of $400,000 of CRO to be staked. Of course, with the higher tier, you will get more benefits such as cashback on Spotify, Netflix, as well as 8% on card spending. I think a Royal Indigo and a Green Jade card works best because a 3% cashback is comparable to many banks in Singapore. For that account, you need to stake a minimum of $4,000 or 5,000 Singapore dollars. Though do take note that the value is communicated in fiat currency, the actual stake is still in CRO coin, which means that you'll be subjected to the volatility of cryptocurrencies. So there's a possibility that the CRO coins that you take back would differ from the actual value that you put in dollar cents. It could be worth more or worth less depending on how much the CRO coins is worth at the moment. Usage of Crypto.com Visa card and how widely accepted the card is. Once you apply, it takes about 1 to 2 weeks to receive your card. Before you start using it, you will first need to top up the card. Ways that I could top up my card was through the crypto wallet, credit and debit card. I think for people in other countries, you might be able to top up the card using bank transfers. Once you top up your Crypto.com card, you'll be able to start spending. I was able to use the card in groceries and transport in Singapore. Each time, the CRO Cashback is credited almost instantaneously into my Crypto.com account. The only issue I had was to pay for Spotify subscription. Customers from Singapore are unable to use the Crypto.com card to pay for their Spotify subscription. So in order to get CRO Cashback, you will need to inform their customer service manually. They will ask for your proof of payment for Spotify and then they'll reimburse the CRO back to you. It took about a month or so before they were able to process this for us. But we got the Spotify CRO Cashback all at a go once they have cleared all their backlog. I think there are more people using crypto.com services and that they are facing some kind of backlogs and trying to keep up with the demand. Crypto.com card also offers attractive foreign exchange rates. I was checking it out since we were in Europe right now. The rates are sometimes better than Wise and Revolut. However, the catch is that you need to top up your card. And to top up the card with credit card, you will be subjected to a fee of 1%. For those in Singapore, and for those that are in the US, you would have to pay a fee of 2.99%. I've also found out that their cryptocurrencies spot exchange rate are slightly higher than other exchanges. So do take note and do some calculations for yourself. The only way, I think, to avoid the fees and take advantage of the attractive foreign exchange rates is to top up using a debit card or bank transfer. You can check out more information on the fees and limits via settings in the Crypto.com app. So if you're wondering if I've tried out the Crypto.com Visa card in Europe, I did, but unfortunately it doesn't work.
Okay.
System failure.
Error.
Crypto.com knows it and are in the midst of trying to fix it. So far, I have no idea when would this be fixed. In summary, Crypto.com Visa card is a hit and miss when it comes to my own spending. We were able to use it quite easily in Singapore, such as buying groceries and using the public transport. I also like that while you can't use the card to pay for your Spotify subscription, Crypto.com still honors the CRO cashback. I've not tried to use the card to pay for my online purchases, so I'm unsure whether it would work or is this something that is only confined with Spotify. And for the other spending, the 3% CRO cashback is reflected almost instantaneously on the app. With regards to topping up the Crypto.com Visa card, I've tried using a Singapore credit card to top up, but it was declined by the bank. I had to call in the bank to let them know that I want the transaction to be processed, and they took about a day before coming back to me. So right now there's quite a bit of restrictions using your credit card to top up your Crypto.com account. Another thing is that I also thought that we could top up the card using the CRO coin so that it'll be something like the circle of life. Pay Spotify and Netflix using Spotify.com Visa card, get 100% CRO cashback, and then top up the card using the CRO coins that you have gotten, and so on. But no, they do not allow top-ups using CRO coins for their Visa card, and understandably so. The miss for me was that the key benefits of Crypto.com card was their attractive foreign exchange rate. This is beneficial, especially when you're traveling overseas or paying in foreign currencies. However, this is useless unless they can fix their card transactions being declined.